How to change background in Google Meet. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our browser and go to meet.google.com. Once you're routed to the page, basically you will be routed to Google Meet's homepage. So here we can actually see an enter a code or link bar. So all you need to do is to paste your link if you do have one, or if you don't have one, you can actually start a new meeting by creating a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, or schedule in Google Calendar. As for me, I already do have a link, so I'm just gonna simply paste down my link right here. And after that, click on join afterwards. Now, once you've joined, basically you will be routed to this page. And all you need to do is to allow your camera and audio access. So I have already allowed my camera and audio access basically. Now here in the screen, you can actually see apply visual effects. Click on that one. And by then, you will be routed to the effects section of your Google Meet. Here in the right hand corner, you can choose a variety of backgrounds that you can add to your Google Meet or meeting. So for example, I'm going to make use of this template right here or background. So I'm going to simply click on this background. Now let's take a while for it to load, or let's wait for it to load basically. Now once the background has loaded, it will show up in the screen. As you can see, you can preview it before you start the meeting. So here, this is how it looks like in your meeting. Now you can simply click on join now if you have chosen the background, and there it will show in your meeting that you have added or your background is added to your meeting. And that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.